I don't think anyone would have expected the unrest to unfold in the way that it did. But what it did give us was an opportunity to strengthen our response, to strengthen our training, and to be better prepared. And I'm pleased to say that I've seen a lot of improvement in the way that we've handled the potential unrest that has happened since. And I haven't waited for the after-action reports. While I'm grateful for those, the work, the independent evaluations of the incident, I haven't waited for those reports to be finished before making changes. We're making changes as soon as we saw those problems come up. We made sure that, I made sure that the police department was led by someone that eliminated distractions away from our crime fight. Our new police commissioner has taken a number of steps to ensure that we are better prepared for what could be 6 challenging and separate criminal trials coming forward. We're working with the Department of Justice on a patterns and practice investigation. I think I'm the only mayor in the country that's actually asked the Attorney General to come in to do a patterns and practice investigation, which will likely result in recommendations for even broader reforms. We've improved communications, training, and equipment already.